Hi there, how's it going? This is Ash from Fetch Profits. Do you find it hard to send emails sometimes? Are you often left wondering what to send in an email to engage with your subscribers better? It so happens that you don't need to rack your brains to think of new content to send out to your email subscribers. Sometimes, when you have a writer's block or when you're creatively finding it hard to come up with stuff to send it to your subscribers, so Mailchimp has really made it easy to try and help you find content to send to your subscribers by incorporating a new tab called content on the top left corner right here. If you can see, this wasn't there before and they just added it so that you have a way to pull out content from various sources from within your content manager or from external sources, so that you could bring in the content, use it, and send out an email as quickly as possible without you having to think so much about sending out emails to your subscribers so that they can engage better with you. Now, if you can look on the top left corner on the menu inside Mailchimp, you have a tab called Content, which wasn't there before. And if you click on Content, you will find all the files that are relevant to your campaign, your account, and your external sources that are connected to your Mailchimp account. So you have your own files that you must have uploaded. You have access to your products, which are usually show up here if you have a store that's connected to your Mailchimp account, such as a WordPress WooCommerce store or a Shopify store, or you have access to third-party tools called Jiffy, for example, or you could simply use any of this content, or you can even search for the kind of content that you want and use a Jiffy file to make it a lot more expressive and creative when you're sending out to your subscribers. You also have the option of connecting with your Instagram account. Obviously, it goes on to say that your Instagram account has to be active and you must have had a few posts put up on Instagram. If you do, I can use any of this content that I already have on Instagram and use it as a part of my email campaign. Now, how cool is that? Now, obviously, I want my emails to be value added and I want them to make a difference to my subscribers when I send them in. So if I don't have products, because I'm a service based business and I don't have any products at the moment, I don't have any products and there's nothing much in my files, I could directly connect with my Instagram account and pick any of the content that I update on my Instagram to be used as a part of the email campaign that I could send out to my list right away. And I'll show you how it's done and how quickly it can be done just by choosing one of these updates that I must have already made on Instagram. Now, on Instagram, I shared earlier a free site where you could get high quality HD stock videos that you could use in any social media campaign or any of your ad campaigns if you need it. That brand that does it is called Mixkit, and I've already shared about them in my Instagram account. I'm going to use that particular post made on Instagram earlier as a part of a campaign that I'm about to send out now to my Mailchimp subscribers. So I've connected with my Instagram and I'm going to choose this particular image and click on create email from image, and I'm going to get the entire image put into a email template of sorts. Then I can change the subject line. I'm going to change it to something like get high quality HD stock videos. I'm going to use the same subject line as the headline. I'm going to write a little bit about the body. So for the body of the email which goes here, I'm going to write up something. So struggling to find HD stock videos for your social campaigns or other campaigns. Here's a free site that helps you, that you can use to find. So I wrote up a headline and I wrote up a body copy, and I'm going to add a button that says get free HD videos now, and I'm going to add a link to their website which goes by the name https://mixkit.co, and I'm going to click on next step. As you can see, the campaign is ready to be sent. I would just want to make sure, doubly sure, that I'm sending it to the right list. Click on edit recipients and be sure to pick the list that I want to pick, and also be sure to click on any segment or a tag that I must have created earlier to kind of make this campaign more relevant. So I would want to choose only active subscribers, which are segments that are pre-filled by Mailchimp. I want to personalize the to field, and I would want to make sure that the first name is added click on save. I wanted to make doubly sure everything is all right. I can even send a test mail and see how it comes up like. I can share it on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. I'm not choosing any of that right now. I'm just choosing to just say finish later and close it. Please be sure to log into your Mailchimp account and make use of the brand new content tab that makes it easy for you to link to external sources such as Instagram or Jiffy, or use any of the content that you already have inside your content manager. Create campaigns ultra quickly so that you can send it to your subscribers and keep them engaged. I hope that helps. I'll see you in another video. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends if you like what you see. Thank you so much. Have a